Good morning, everyone. It is Ben Bryce here on Thursday, July 18th, giving you your wake up call. And as we finish off this morning session, grains are a little bit lower. Markets are setting back a little bit. The past few overnight sessions, we've seen the markets be a little bit friendly. And last night, that's how they started off. But we just didn't see too much follow through. Speaking of follow through, we aren't really seeing much out of the funds. It doesn't seem like they've really been in here maybe since Monday, whether that's buying or selling, just based off the volume and lack of open interest shifting. So right now, I mean, these markets are getting beat up pretty bad. It does seem like we have taken a little bit of a breather from the funds when it comes to their selling, as it looks like so far that psychological $4 level seems to be holding in corn, at least for new crop. But you do have carry in that market, showing that the market does want you to be hanging on to your grain and look to be selling it later on if you can. With the beans, right now, you've gotten hammered there too. There's really just there's no story when it comes to demand, and I think that this week's weekly export sales numbers kind of show that again. We just got those a few minutes ago here, and they're fairly neutral across the board. For corn, we were a little bit behind on old crop, which is fairly typical as we're getting, or old crop is a little bit less than we were expecting, which is not too surprising as we're going to be having a new crop coming in soon. And same with beans, neutral across the board for both old and new crop. Livestock, you did have hogs. They were looking like they were a little bit behind. So as you did have had some excitement out of them this week, we'll see if that can hold as we open up here at 8:30. And with beef, you actually were a little bit ahead of pace. So while we have taken a step down on this upward trend for the beef market for live cattle, we'll see if that continues after today's weekly export sales number being fairly strong. But again, this cattle market's been acting kind of funky with box beef moving around a little bit higher, lower. So we'll see what happens today with cattle, but good exports for beef. All right, poor exports for the pork. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. We're available anytime. 1-800-2-MARKET. That's 1-800-262-7538. Thank you.